Welcome. In this session we are going to understand how to create if statements in RStudio. You can make use of if-else block and you can check your condition. If your condition is true, you can perform your do business logic here, and in the else block you can perform your do something different business logic here. Let's get started. In order to do that, we are going to create a new RScript file, and within the RScript file we are going to write if-else conditions. In order to write if-else conditions, we can simply check, let's say if we have a value I as 10 and we want to check if I is smaller than 10 till the time we are going to execute the business logic, else we want to print something like a different business logic here. So in case if we want to say if I is smaller than 10, we are going to print in a value, and we are going to print a string this time. We can print a strings using single quotes or double quotes as well. So let's say we like to print a value I is smaller than 10. So this is one condition wherein you can test smaller. You can make use of else if conditions as well, and we can make use of else conditions as well. All the set of conditions which you can make use in RStudio are available on your R cheat sheet at the very bottom of the page. You can see that you can make use of R equal conditions, is not equal to conditions, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and your null and missing conditions. So let's say in case if we want to say else if, we are going to say if I is greater than 10, we are going to print in something else. So let's say this time we are going to print I is greater than 10, and else if we want to say, we can say that within else we are going to simply execute, let's say we can say that I is equal to 10, something like this. So we have got the if-else condition code written here. We are going to run the statement, and once we execute the statement, you can see that at this time I is equal to 10. If we modify the value to let's say 11, and we are going to clear the console screen using Control L, and I am going to run the code again. To run the code we have to select the statements, and once we run the code we can see that this time we get that I is greater than 10, and later we can again clear the screen and we can change the value of I to something like 8 or something. We're going to select all the statements and we're going to run our RScript, and this time you get I is smaller than 10. So this is how you can implement if-else conditions in RStudio. Thank you for watching.